What you're looking at isn't just a car. It's a $30 million love letter to the open road. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are stepping into a realm of luxury that makes standard Rolls-Royces look like entry-level sedans. This is the 2026 Rolls-Royce Droptail, specifically the latest commissions like the Arcadia and Rose Noire, marking the return of the two-seat roadster to the pinnacle of automotive fashion. The exterior is a masterclass in less is more. Unlike the boxy phantoms of the past, the Droptail features a sleek, low-slung silhouette with a dropping rear end that mimics the hull of a luxury yacht. The Pantheon grille has been reimagined for the first time in history, with vanes that kink toward the top to create a more aerodynamic, aggressive face. Whether it's the true love red of the Rose Noire or the shimmering white of the Arcadia, step inside and you're no longer in a vehicle. You're in a private gallery. The interior is defined by parquetry, a complex woodwork technique where over 1,600 individual hand-finished pieces of wood are laid out to create a mosaic. It took one craftsman nearly a year of silent concentration just to finish the dashboard of a single car. Under the hood, Rolls-Royce stays true to its heritage of effortless power. This masterpiece is propelled by a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine. It's tuned to deliver 593 horsepower and a staggering 620 lb-ft of torque. It doesn't scream or roar, it whispers. The power delivery is so smooth it feels like the earth is simply being pulled toward you, whisking you from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, with a level of silence that's almost haunting. When we talk about price, we're moving past the "if you have to ask" territory. Each Droptail is a one-of-one commission, with prices estimated between $30 million and $32 million. You aren't paying for a car, you're paying for 4 years of dedicated engineering and a seat at the table with the world's finest artisans. Safety in a Droptail is as bespoke as the leather. While it features the full suite of Rolls-Royce's advanced driver assistance, including night vision, active cruise control, and 360-degree 3D cameras, the real safety lies in the chassis. Built on a unique monocoque of steel, aluminum, and carbon fiber, it offers a level of structural rigidity usually reserved for Formula One cars, ensuring that even without a roof, the magic carpet ride remains undisturbed. To summarize, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Droptail is the absolute zenith of what is possible when money is no object. It's a rolling sculpture that bridges the gap between automotive engineering and high art. It isn't just a way to get from point A to point B. It's a statement that you've arrived before you even leave your driveway. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the most expensive new car in the world. If you could customize your own Droptail, what color would you choose? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more looks into the world of ultimate luxury. I'll see you in the next one.